As you can see, I managed to earn $460 in 1 month without investment through this site. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk to you about the way to make easy money. More specifically, I will explain how to earn $300 a month by spending 15 minutes a day. To earn money, it's enough to watch ads, play games, complete tasks. Of course, there is no need to invest for this. I have shared the website registration link in the comment section. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the world of online earning with a review of EarnUT. If you have been searching for ways to make some extra cash online, you might have stumbled upon EarnUT. But it is legit. Can you really make money with it? Well, stick around as we uncover the truth. Alright, let's get started by talking about what EarnUT actually is. Simply put, it's a platform that claims to pay you for completing various online tasks such as surveys, watching videos, and more. Sound easy enough, right? But the big question is, does it deliver on its promises? Here is what the EarnUT dashboard looks like. You can see there are different tasks available, each with a corresponding payout. From surveys to app downloads, there seems to be a variety of ways to earn. Ready to start earning with EarnUT? Great! Let's walk through the sign-up process step by step. First, head over to the EarnUT website. You can easily find the sign up button on the homepage. Click on it to let's get started. Then you will prompt to fill out the registration form. This typically includes basic information such as your name, email address, and password. It is essential to use a valid email address because EarnUT may send you verification emails or important updates about your account. Once you have filled out the form, double-check everything for accuracy, then click on the Sign Up or the Register button. In our case, it is Sign Up button. Or you can continue with Google Gmail without entering your username or password. You can continue with the Facebook and with Steam. You have successfully created your EarnUT account. You may receive a confirmation message on the website or via email. Now, before you dive into earning, it's a good idea to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the different tasks available. First up, we have the recommended offers section. Here, EarnUT highlights various tasks and opportunities that are tailored to your interest and earning preferences based on your activity and profit. These recommended offers can include surveys, app downloads, watching videos, and more. By focusing on these recommended tasks, you can streamline your earning efforts and make the most of your time on the platform. Keep an eye on this section regularly as the offers may update frequently based on your activity and new opportunities available. Next, we have the top offer vlog section. This features curated walkthroughs of high-paying tasks or opportunities that are currently trending or particularly lucrative. This offers vlogs provide step-by-step instructions and tips to help you successfully complete the tasks and maximize your earnings. Whether it's detailed guide on completing a survey efficiently or the tips for earning rewards through a specific app, the top offer wall section is your go-to resource for strategic earning. Let's survey the first site and earn $0.28. For example, in the earn section, uh, you will find the specific game named as Block King. It's not just a game, it's your ticket to earning rewards by completing challenges. Here's how it works. Blockkick presents a series of challenges numbered 1, 3, 5, and so on. Each challenge comes with its own set of tasks or objectives. To earn rewards, you will need to complete these challenges sequentially. Challenge 1 might involve reaching a certain score in a specific game, while challenge 2 could be about inviting friends to join the platform. To earn rewards, you will need to complete these challenges sequentially. Change and then as you progress through the challenges, you will unlock exciting rewards along the way. These rewards could include bonus points, cash prizes, or even exclusive perks within the EarnUT community. The Block King challenge adds an element of gamification to your earning journey, making it more engaging and rewarding. Plus, it's a great way to break up your earning routine and have some fun while you are in it. The offer section is your gateway to a diverse array of earning tasks. Whether you are looking to share your opinions through the service, test out new apps, or participate in exciting offers, this section has something for everyone. Let's break it down. Within the offers section, you will find various categories of earning opportunities, each offering its own unique rewards and requirements. From free trials to product evaluations, there is no shortage of ways to earn rewards. Simply browse through the available offers, choose the ones that interest you, um, and get started on your earning journey. For example, the first one, click the View Offer button. Description: like taking surveys, start your first one right now and earn credit for your opinions. The reward is containing 0.28 dollars. Conversion occurs after the user filled out registration form and complete a survey. Right after they register, they are sent to a survey. If they don't qualify, they are sent to another survey. So they have multiple chances to convert, can be completed up to 10 times per day. Potentially, you can get $2 in one day from this offer. Also, there are several offers you can complete through a day, from the easiest one to the hardest one. For example, this thing, its reward is $10. Instant PayPal and crypto cash out, minimum 30 cents cash out. Register on the gameplay.com and earn at least 15,000 coins. Rewards can take up to 12 hours. Potentially, in one day, you can earn $10. They said that rewards can take up to 12 hours. You can complete it from 5 hours to 10 hours. Potentially, you can earn $10 in one day. The next section is the affiliate section. Click the affiliate button situated in the dashboard. The affiliate section empowers you to earn rewards by sharing EarnUT with your friends, family, and followers. It is simple. For every person you refer who signs up and participates, you will earn rewards. But it doesn't stop there. The more active referrals you have, the more you can earn. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Within the affiliate section, you will find tools and resources to help you maximize your referral potential. From personalized referral links to tracking tools, we have got you covered every step of this way. Plus, EarnUT frequently offers special promotions and bonuses for top-performing affiliates. It's our way of saying thank you for helping us grow our community. Whether you're a social media influencer, a blogger, or just someone looking to earn some extra reward, the affiliate section offers endless opportunities to monetize your network. Let's talk about the most important section, the cash out section. Now it's time to reap the benefits of your hard work with the cash out section. Let's dive in and learn how to turn your earnings into tangible rewards. The cash out section is where you can exchange your accumulated earnings for real world rewards. Whether you prefer cash via PayPal, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, TRX, USDT, and Dogecoin, and etc., there are various options available to suit your preferences. Also, once you are ready to cash out, simply select your preferred payment method, for example, Bitcoin. Also, the minimum withdrawal amount is 33,000 coins in the EarnUT. It is uh, equal to $33. Then, once you entered the cash out and selected your preferences payment method, you can choose. The processing time may vary. Some options offer instant withdrawals, while others may take a few business days to process. Keep an eye out for any promotional offers or bonuses available in the cash out section. For example, the minimum withdrawal amount will change during time. For example, today the minimum withdrawal amount is $33, but uh, tomorrow it can be 20 or $10. Also, the minimum withdrawal amount of Litecoin is $4. Potentially can for in 3 hours withdraw your earnings today. Also, there are most unique withdrawal method like skins in Counter-Strike and Rust. It is also the some investment in your journey. Also, there are coin conversion. $1 is equal to 1,000 coins. Thank you for joining us, and that's wrap on our journey through EarnUT. Hope you have enjoyed discovering the countless opportunities to earn rewards and make the most out of your online experience. Whether you are completing surveys, exploring offers, or diving into blocking challenge, remember that your dedication and effort are the keys to success on EarnUT. Before we go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest earning tips and tricks. And if you have any question or feedback, we had love to hear from you in the comments section. Until next time, happy earning from all of us in EarnUT, wishing your success and in your earning journey. Take care and see you soon.